Hello, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman. Today, I will talk about Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance. Um, I have met a lot of different people over the course of my life who have used this as a platform for financial information. Everything is free in terms of the information that is provided. You don't have to have an account just to read the news on Yahoo Finance. And there are a lot of different stories. So I think that perhaps we can just look at some news about Tesla. And we want to try to figure out some stock information about it. So currently, Tesla is trading at $646.98. This is on July 28th, 2021. And we can look at some charts. Let me go to chart. So I have a chart of Tesla. And we're looking at about, let's look at a 3-month chart of Tesla. Okay. And we can see that let's say 3 months. So back on back on July, but this is April right here, April 30th, Tesla was trading, he reached a high of 715. So now let's do a comparison. We want to compare Tesla to the S&P 500. So from April 28th to July 28th, the S&P has increased by 5.11%, and Tesla has decreased by 8.2%. And we're going to look at one more company over the same length of time. We're going to look at Ford Motor Company. Let me just go back one more time. I'll make sure I do a comparison. We were comparing Tesla with the S&P 500. We're looking at the 3-month chart. So let me go back to comparison again. We got the S&P, also want to do Ford Motor Company. Okay. So I have 2 car companies now. Ford, over the same period of time, has lost minus 4.4%. And then the same month of time, we have Tesla, which has lost minus 8%. And let's do one more stock as a comparison. I want to do Moderna. We're going to make this green. Over the same length of time, we see that the stock for Moderna since the month of April 28th has increased by 90%. So we have 3 entities. We have Tesla, which lost 8% in value, Ford, which lost 4% in value. We have the S&P 500, which increased by 5%. And then we have Moderna, which over the same period of time has increased by 90%. Okay, so this is a good way just to compare the performance of different stocks. And if you want to get a little bit deeper with this, you have RSI, you have Bollinger Bands, you have moving averages, MACDs. Let's look at some other indicators that you have here. Okay, it's just a range. I'm not going to get into what these various things mean. Let's take a look at the just the MACDs. Okay, so let's say I want to do a little bit more information. Okay, I want to look more into Moderna. What are some news? What news is available about Moderna? Okay, Moderna went up 6% just on today. So in terms of earnings, the earnings will be next week on the 5th. And then you have news by, this is a competitor, Pfizer. Then you got news by Moderna. This is like 2 hours. So why did Moderna go up today? So this is just a really good research tool. And it'll be interesting to see how this performs for the remainder of the year. So I just demonstrated how to look at charts for Yahoo Finance. Also, there is a screener within Yahoo Finance. You can create a screener where you somehow or another you're screening and looking for different types of stocks potentially to invest in. Let's say you're looking for a mid cap, and this just means the size of the company in terms of market capitalization. If you're interested in something in technology and you want something that's at least above $10, we don't want to really do penny stocks. Let me say, I just want to find some stocks, and it's just going to do a scan. I came up with 240 stocks, and you have the percentage change of these stocks. Some of these I'm not as familiar with. So you can look at the change of these in terms of just the percentage over just a general span of time. Okay, so that completes just a brief introduction into Yahoo Finance. Again, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman.